Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry I've been away for so long. I've been busy with work, with not playing games. Yeah. Okay, so I've been using Godot for a while. Godot. Yeah, could call it that. Godot. I hate Godot, but I prefer Godot. Godot? Alright. Sorry. So I wanna do a tutorial and like a whole tutorial series. So I'm thinking to like first start with the I'm thinking to first start with the layout. This is gonna be a short video. So here it goes. First of all, this is where you start when you're doing the 2D games. So let me delete that. Okay, so when you first start, you actually have these options right here. I'm gonna explain everything. I'm trying to like figure out which way to, you know. All right. Right. Okay, so right here you have the nodes tab. This is where you add objects, like, you know, if you have a character, you add it here. You know, stuff. Stuff. Yeah. Down here you have the file system. Over here you have the inspector. Like whenever you have a node, you change the up properties over here. And this is the window view for everything. Such as this is currently in 2D mode. Let's go with 2D scene. So that makes a node 2D. I'm gonna explain all of that in another video. Bear with me. I'm doing this like without rehearsing. Let's see what else. Okay, so you have nodes. You could maybe the layout is different. For example, here, if you have a node on each window, you have these three things, three dots. What do I call these? Moving on. And you could right now it shows on that it's in this window. The scene is here. So if I click this one, it makes another side over here. So now the scene is over that side. You'll put it back. Maybe your layout is different. Maybe you have the file system up here, and then the nodes are over the right side. But I like this layout better. All right. I think that's most of it, right? Actually, no. I didn't explain these. Up here you have the tools window. You have the select, you have move, rotate, scale, and then options. I think that was option. Oh, okay. No, it's to show everything that's in a spot. And you have pan, whatever this is, ruler. I guess you can turn off stuff. Oh, never mind. You do that with it. I never actually used this before myself. That's cool. Anyways, you have snapping, blah 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 blah, and then right here where the view is, sometimes this changes depending on what node you have selected. So for example, let's add a skeleton node. So you have this here now. So you could do stuff like based on the type of node you have different options. Alright, that should be the end for this video. Actually no. I keep missing stuff. Down here you have the tool options, I think. So you have animation, like special nodes used down here for editing, like an animation player. Let's do that one for a second. Animation. Alright, now you have that selected. You could do new animation. Then you have this here to mess with. So you can change the land, stuff like that. I could go over these in more detail, but not right now. And you have audio tab. You probably saw that already. I don't really use it that much, but you have effects to put on audio files. That's a whole different tutorial. Oh, and here's the properties again. I know went over it, but you can see what it does. So the root node for the animation player, and so that's whatever the root node is doing. The animation player manages it, like movement, rotation, scale. Yeah, it could loop, and all of that stuff. So let's delete that. What else? Output for like writing code. When you wanna do debugging, you have debug section. What else? What else? I know I'm skipping over a lot of stuff, but I'm not even gonna explain that. And then you have the 2D view, 3D view. These are not really views, but I'm saying view. It's actually a completely different engine. Whoops. And then you have the script view. Could make a script, but let's just make a script. You have this option here to open us, make a new script. Could rename it. It usually defaults to the node's name. And then create. Now you have a script here you can edit. Yada 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 yada. You get it. I might go over GD script in detail. It uses both GD script, C# and visual scripting. I think there's another one. I don't remember. And good thing I know both, but yeah, I don't want to go into this one too much now. All right, that should be the end. Asset lib is like stuff from the community, like attachments for the engine, like stuff like that. Stuff you could use for stuff. Yeah, I'm being mad fake. I know. Sorry. All right, that should be it for this video. If you're new here, actually subscribe. I'll be making more. Dang, I said that like I'm not gonna. I'm gonna try. I'm really busy nowadays. Let's see. I'm thinking what I could do next. I could go over nodes next. Yeah, I'll go over nodes and the different types. It's gonna be a whole tutorial. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.